live here at, or we're not live, this is recorded at Venice Beach.
Whatever I feel it is, then that's. Am I making you physically uncomfortable right here? It's a little further back. This is making you physically uncomfortable. It's a little further. I'm asking the officer if this is making him physically uncomfortable. He's not answering my question. I don't have to. He says he doesn't have to answer my question. You could physically be arrested for 148 of violating what I'm telling you to do. So, you're approaching me right now? That's better. Feels a little threatening. That's enough. You're in my face. You're in my face. I'm not going to keep talking to you. Sir, you're done. You're done. You're done. You're done, sir. You're in my face. Don't come close. Continue your job, sir. You continue your job. Do what you want to do, sir. Keep going. Get off. Back up. Back up. Hey, don't put this on. What were they doing? Dancing badly?
Probably failure to have rhythm.
Failure to have rhythm.
Yeah, I think that's what their charge is. You think they're charged with failure to have rhythm?
They're telling him. Hey, what are you guys doing? Hey.
I'm filming the cops. I'm not filming you. I'm filming the cops.
It's car 80341. If you want to get a quick shot of the car number.
Can anybody get the badge numbers?
We'll get the badge numbers once they're done. We'll get the badge numbers from them once they're done, so they can't say we're interfering.
But get the car number.
Yeah, we'll do that as well.
80341.
That was making him really uncomfortable.
All we really gotta do is stand in front of the car.
But I didn't make him uncomfortable. But I didn't. So
whenever they're done, one person.
Yeah, no problem with me.
One person goes in the front until they give us their name.
I saw that.
Yeah. Just with me.
Yeah. I was like 6 inches from the other guy's gun. I have like total privilege to do that.
You know how Venice